Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are just going to discuss the B.Ed third semester and the topic is the guidance. And in guidance, what we need to talk, that is the nature of the guidance. And the first nature of the guidance that I have written here, guidance is the process, and second one is the guidance is the continuous process. So now we are going to discuss one by one. At the first, we are going to discuss guidance is the process. If we are going to be have its knowledge in a detail, that is, it is considered as a process that enables an individual in discovering himself. Actually, this is such a process which helps an individual to know himself in most satisfying and positive manner. It also provides the direction to enable an individual to use his capabilities, capacities, interest and aptitudes. Mean it is also going to help an individual, means he is going to talk, means as we know very well, people they have a lot of the talents but they are not capable to use in a best possible manner. So best possible manner possibilities is going to be tell, or they're going to be help in these circumstances, and that is only called the guidance is the process. Guidance is such a process which helps in these situations. And next, the guidance is the continuous process. So why it is called the continuous process? Because it is a dynamic and ongoing process which starts from the childhood, adolescence, and continues over in old age. It it develops the capacity to decision making also. Now it is actually such a process which actually starts from the birth of a person, and it goes on and it's going on up to the age of old age. Okay, and it also develops the capacity of decision making to an individual person, so he could able to take their own decisions also. So that's why it is called a continuous process. Yes. Now third nature of the guidance, that is it is assistance provider. Why it is called the assistance provider? As we know very well, it is a process of helping an individual to solve their problems. As we know, number of the times we are in a problem, we are not able to understand means what would be the solution of our problem. So exactly at that moment there is an help, and that help is only called the it is an assistance provider or the guidance. Okay, second is given, it is a service for all. It is a service for all. It means that it is a regular service which is required for all the students, not only for the abnormal students. Like number of the times we are going to discuss that, means help is actually required only for those who are not means those who are not actually easy or not capable to feeling the good to work there in own by with their own. So exactly, means here we are going to talk about the abnormal childs. So means such service is not only required for the abnormal child, but it also required for the each and everyone. Got it? Means each every student is actually required such assistance and such service, and that's why it is called, because it is also called guidance is an organized service, not an incidental activity of the school. Second, that is called, it is based on individual differences. What it means, see, individuals differ not only in their appearance but in their mental and intellectual endowment, desire, aspirations and aptitudes. It means each and every person is totally different, not only in appearance. It may be different on the behalf of intellectual abilities, it may be different on the behalf of appearance, it may be different on the behalf of desires and interest and aptitudes. So these are actually the different things on the behalf of the persons, they are actually differ to one another, and that's why it is called the it is based on individual difference. Now last but not least, that's really very important, tool for behavior modification. Tool for modification means guidance helps the person in his adjustment in different situations and to modify one's behavior. Negative personality traits are modified through the skillful guidance and counseling. What it means, see, actually this is such a thing which is going to help to the people at the time in different situations. The person, they are capable to just adjust himself or herself and modify the behavior of a person, and whatever we are having the negative traits that are actually modified through the skilled persons and through the skilled persons or the counsel of their or you would say the guidance of them. So that's why, so these are actually the nature of the guidance that's already I have discussed. So I could hope means you are just going to have the good marks in your exam. So please just watch it and share it, and don't forget to remember forever and ever for your exams. Love you all.